18 years old, and I've never been in love. Never even been kissed, but right now I have the chance to be with this really, really amazing guy. But my dad's car got towed, and I need $300, and he's gonna call me on my video phone any second, and if I can't convince him that I'm anywhere but here, I'm screwed. My life is over. Do you understand? So, I'm begging you. I'm asking you to just please help me. That's my dad. Please help me.